We're gonna do this panko chicken with the bacon and the ham and the Swiss cheese. It's gonna go on a bed of mashed potatoes, then gravy, and then the chicken on top of it. This is an example of everything's off the shelf, from a packet of gravy to the mashed potatoes, which I've doctored. So it kind of makes it fun. So let's get our panko right. Desert Gold. Parmesan. We like the Parmesan a lot in this. Okay, mix it up good. Dip. Spread. Dip. Okay, it's nice to let these things rest. So we go, we barely got enough eggs, so this might be a single dip. Beautiful. I'll see you outside. Okay, kids, it's time for goodness. Safflower oil there. Hot. Okay, we got our cutlets on now, which is going to be really fun. We'll cook the cutlets for about 4 minutes, and then we'll flip them over, we'll take the temperature, and then we'll lay our cheese and our bacon, but I want to get the bacon nice and crispy, so we'll put it on now. So we got our bacon going, which won't take long. We got our chicken, which isn't going to take long. And then when I flip it, like I said, I'm going to lay that bacon on it, and I'm also going to lay some cheese on one of them. Little Louie doesn't want cheese or any ham or bacon, so she gets one just straight. And this is ready to flip over. Move the ham to the cool zone. Take a look at my bacon. That can go to the cool zone too. Is it okay to say beautiful? I think it is. Now comes the fun. Time for some Swiss cheese. Few minutes under the melting dome, and we're ready to build this dinner. It's gonna be a really cool dinner. I think you're gonna like it a lot. Great mashed potatoes, gravy, and then this beautiful kind of southern cordon bleu. So we're almost there. Okay, we're seconds away from action. I'm going to go deliver this one to little Louie. We'll let that melt just for a little longer. Well, I think that's pretty good. I think we're ready to rock. Power down, go in the kitchen, and have some fun. Again, this was an off-the-shelf dinner. Store-bought mashed potatoes that I doctored with butter and cream, chicken and gravy. Now I can make all this stuff. You know you've seen enough of it. But what I'm trying to show you is sometimes you're in a hurry, you can grab 2 or 3 things from the market and create a pretty good dish. So we're gonna take the mashed potatoes, give a pretty healthy bed of mashers. Got our gravy boat here, here's where it gets really fun. Here comes the secret. Some parsley just to look like I'm a professional. There you have it. Big Papa's Cordon Bleu. Give it a try. I think you'll like it.